Hey Jake Bros, you don't see me a lot without glasses. Now today's vlog wait, let me think about this. Today's vlog is a vlog with the big stormy vlog. I'm shooting it today, so yeah. Well, today, you guys usually always see me wearing these, my glasses. They are Ralph Lauren polos, and you guys can't see them very well, but they're blue. Yeah. And today, actually, let me start about a week and a half ago. I was at the ophthalmology center, and that's where they do your eyes and stuff. And I got my eyes checked, and they said that I was practically blind because these were still working, but they weren't working as good. But still fine. And so I got my eye check, and my sister got one as well because she also wears glasses. You don't really see them on her because she doesn't really like to wear them. She wears contacts. I like glasses better though, personally. And I got a brand new pair from them. Once I was checking out glasses, there was a lot of good ones that I wanted, and there were a lot of bad ones that I wanted. Just kidding, most of them were good. And that was a really fun day because I got to pick up my glasses. Now, before I show you the big reveal, I will first of all show you the case. Looks pretty good. And now here are the new ones, the new glasses. You can kind of see them off the camera. There we go. They are brand new, and I'm going to give you guys a puppy update.
She just fell asleep.
Oh, okay. Well, look, she did grow more hair, and Ava got new glasses too. And she got bigger. She got definitely bigger, but for some reason we're still holding her.
Yeah,
There she is.
Bring her out, and she won't cooperate.
Okay, you're all over.
She hates being out. Oh, shoot. Can you get me some shoes?
Yeah.
No, Molly, sit.
So guys, as you can see, it's still really cold from yesterday's vlog. Oh wait, those are my shoes. Okay. I don't know which ones are hers. Okay. Well, oh my gosh, guys, everything looks so new with my new glasses. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna give her an old pair of mine. Because mine, I don't care if I get dirty because they're old. Let Molly get out too.
I'm working on it.
Okay. Oh, wait, I want to come out. Oh, big draft came in. Wait, never mind. It's soaking wet on the ground. Big draft came in. It is freezing cold. Oh my gosh, it is so cold. The door is like suddenly kind of closing a little. Guys, it is so cold. I'm trying to zoom in.
You can go in if you go crowd.
How do you know she has to go to the bathroom, Ava?
Because she fell asleep and it's been a long time. So.
Should I come out too?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back.
That's my girl. Let's go. Come on.
She went?
Yeah. Go get your treat.
She go on the sidewalk?
Yeah.
That is fine, but
Hey, that works.
not what we were hoping for. Okay.
Yeah. Let's go get
Okay, this is basically the rest of the vlog.
Hey.
My awesome new case, my old glasses, still gonna rock them. And My new pair, and I love them because they work so well. And I have a case for them. I didn't have a case for these. Well, I did, but I'm not wearing mine. Now, anyway, Jake Rose, that is the vlog. I will see you guys later.